In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, just open some area where you can input text. So obviously it can be messages area. So here it is. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English. To change it, tap on settings icon, pick languages, tap on add keyboard, click on the language that you would like to apply. So let me scroll all the way down. As you can see, the list of languages is super long. So here it is. So let me pick, for example, Hebrew, as the change would be visible. Tap on OK. Then you can remove unnecessary languages, go back, and as you can see from now on, this brand new keyboard language is applied. Obviously you can update it the same way. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.